Hola. ¿Hay otro puente o solo este puente?
Solo ese puente.
Oh. Ok. Ya. No hay problema. Sí, sí. Pero no tengo que cruzar otro río.
Sí, tiene que cruzar. El río tiene 3 pasos.
3 ríos.
Tres pasos, un solo río.
Okay. Okay, he confirmed the instructions. I guess, no, there's one more piece of good news, and that's they said, they said that, it's probably this way. Yeah, it's this one. They said that cars pass there. I don't know how good of a news that is. I think that's good news, right? Yeah, it seems to be a connecting road. Yeah. Take this one. Okay. And oh dear. But I'm convinced there definitely isn't like a normal road though. Coming from this side, I didn't miss the good one. It's all that kind of like this. We are encountering the next challenge, mud and slipperiness. Okay, there it goes steep up again. Just going obstacle for obstacle, step by step. And a car! Okay, it can't be so bad from now anymore, right? This is normal civilization. I'm on the right track. Hola, hey, para Santa Fe.
Está por camino malo. Pues ya por acá.
Ese es más mejor.
Aquí el camino de asfalto. Por allá el camino de asfalto. Por aquí camino así como este. Hay que pasar río.
Ay.
Por aquí tiene que pasar un río 3 veces. Por acá no. Para acá sale para acá, coge el camino bueno, sale a San Francisco y coge para Santa Fe.
Pero ¿cuántos kilómetros camino malo hasta hasta asfalto?
Como 5 kilómetros de camino así.
Okay.
Cae el camino bueno, carretera asfalto.
Okay.
Por acá es puro camino malo.
¿Qué prefieres? ¿Aquí o aquí?
Okay. Lléveme para que ¿de dónde viene?
Hoy vengo de Playa Escondido.
En San Carlos.
Pero ahora vengo de mucho camino malo.
Echas aquí.
Ok, voy por
Aquí
acá.
coge camino, baja por abajo, para abajo, coge para Santiago.
Ya,
Están en San Francisco, coge para Santa Fe.
ok. Voy por acá. Muchas gracias. I am going to listen to the man. Although this doesn't look like super good either. But yeah, I think what is now the yellow line on my GPS is probably the paved road. And yeah, he's also saying I have to cross that same river 3 more times. And it's a risk. I think I've had enough. I think I should now just listen to this guy and go via this route. Can't say this is necessarily the easiest way so far, but at least there's no rivers, he said. And about 5 kilometers of this, and then some paved. Oh, look at this. It is so rough. Hola, ¿qué pasa? Hey. And you know, the problem with days like today is that I think after that first really steep downhill part, I already felt I couldn't go back. I felt like this was so steep, I'll never be able to do that hill climb coming from down below and having to go up. So then you kind of feel trapped and you keep on going and you keep on going and it gets worse and worse. So you even feel more like there is no way I can go back anymore. And then you're just forced to keep on going. I've been in this situation a few times before. And yeah, now luckily there is actually an escape out of this and a way back out without having to backtrack that terrifying terrain I came through. Ah, another river crossing. No way, right? Really? Why did they say there was no river? This doesn't count, maybe. Oh, there's the paved road just there. Okay, this looks again really shallow, but it did so the last time as well. Yep, again, knee deep. See, knee deep. Gets me every time. Hi! Amen. Okay, that was that. I don't think river crossings will ever really be my favorite. I just hate that you can't see anything. You can't see your line. You can't really see how deep it is. And yeah, it's just not my favorite. But anyway. I have reached Santa Fe. So now, wow, look at this. It is beautiful. So now I'm just going to try and find a place to stay for tonight. Look at the bridge, how awesome. I like it. Look at that. Because there is an organic farm somewhere here where you can stay. But I didn't make a booking or anything. So. Agriturismo Maria y Chon. That's where I hope to stay. They have space. Oh, I guess. Oh, this is a walking / motorcycle bridge. Hopefully. Oh. Oh no. Oh, there's stairs. It's not too bad. I can walk Alaska down these stairs. Just don't know how. I have to get back up, but hey, worries for later. Well, see, so you can sort of ride back up. I'm here. This is it. So I don't have good news. They don't have space, which is a real shame because it would have been so nice to stay on this farm. But they're full. And more bad news is that I asked them, is there another way to cross this river, not over that bridge? And they said no. You have to cross the bridge. So, I know, right? I'm so hard to please. Either I complain because I have to do a river crossing, or I complain that the bridge is not easy enough. So now I have to, get back over on those steps, back over that bridge. Oh, this is very slippery. And now I have to find another place to stay. It is getting close to 4 o'clock now. It took me an hour and a half to make an entire detour on tar around the mountains that I tried to cross. So all in all, it's becoming a quite long day. But it's all part of the game, isn't it? Okay, so now I have to scale those steps back on the bridge. Right. Unless there's not a bridge. Let me ask this man. Hola.
Hola.
¿Hay otro puente o solo este puente?
Solo ese puente.
Oh. Ok. Ya. No hay problema. Sí. Voy a probarlo, caminando con moto. Mira, vamos a ver. Sí. Okay. Oi.
Montar?
Ay, muchas gracias, señor. Con caballo no hay problema, ¿no?
No.
Muy bien. Uy, gracias. No, estoy buscando hospedaje, pero aquí hay una finca, pero no tiene espacio para mí.
No vaya.
Y me dicen hay una casa de mariposo.
Casa mariposa allá.
Sí, voy a probar si tiene habitación.
Ya fue donde María y Chon.
No.
Acá, donde María y Chon, acá la finca.
Ah, sí.
Ya.
Aquí, pero ellos no.
Okay.
No. Entonces espero que sí, que... Ay. Ok, gracias. Okay, that helped a lot. Hola. Hola. They're looking at me like, where did she come from? Oh, good question. Okay. Try the next place. See, even the taxis here are 4x4s. Hotel. Let's try this one. Quite a nice view here from my little balcony almost. So I'm super happy I found a place to stay for tonight. I think there's some sort of animal on the roof here. I hear the strangest sounds. But anyway, what a day. I think we can all agree that if one is asked the question, can you do adventure riding in Panama? I think the answer is yes. It was another adventure today. Wow. I quite enjoyed it, but it was nerve-wracking at the same time. It really sounds like there is a huge monkey on the roof or something. Like a lot of noise. But yeah, no, I survived another day, and this place is pretty cool. I thought that Santa Fe was a town, but it doesn't feel like a town. It's just, you're just out in the mountains, in the jungle. And there's some just houses quite scattered around here. So a really cool place to stay for the night. So yeah, I have nothing else to say. I am so tired. It was a really long day, especially because I backtracked all the way over the Tar. So I rode well over 400 kilometers today, and yeah, it was just a really long day. It's now like 4:30 and I left at 8 o'clock, and well, I didn't really stop for anything. So yeah, that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video.